Let's take you into Boston right now. Our Danae Bucci's on the ground in the city. Danae?
And Ed, Boston may not have the snow totals seen in some communities, but that doesn't mean there's not a lot to dig out from here. You can see the snowbank here on Cambridge Street. It's up to about my knee, and I have to say I am just about 6 feet tall, so that's a lot of snow. And that's not the largest snowbank we've seen. We have this one across the street, and there's others around the community. Mayor Michelle Wu is extending the snow emergency and parking ban to at least 6 p.m. tomorrow. This will give crews enough space to clear streets and sidewalks. Tomorrow, part of the focus will be on schools, as BPS will have to cancel another day of classes. City officials want to clear everything as quickly as possible.
By extending the ban this time, as the mayor mentioned, this is going to give us a lot more time to push back to the curb, even hopefully make up some space from the first storm.
We wanted to give plenty of notice that this ban will now be in effect at least through 6 p.m. tomorrow. The hope is that at that point the weather and the snow and cleanup looks okay, but we will at closer to that time give official word as to when it is going to be lifted.
The police commissioner says so far nearly 700 cars parked on banned streets have been towed. He says towing will continue if people are parked on streets with the parking ban. And again, that will stay in effect until at least 6 p.m. tomorrow. As you can see, there's still a lot of snow to dig out from, so crews will need people to move their vehicles so they can get to that. We're live in Boston. Danae Bucci, WCVB News Center 5.